How about making a twiggy star to put on your Christmas tree this year? I'm Julie from Julie Davis Flower Workshops and Flower Start, the online flower arranging classes. I do hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and then you'll always know when I upload a new video. To make your Christmas star, you'll need 5 elastic bands, 5 twigs of similar size cut to the same length, a ball of string and a pair of scissors. Take your first 2 sticks and attach them together using an elastic band. Separate out the 2 ends and add another stick and attach that with an elastic band. Separate out those 2 legs and attach another stick and fasten that together with an elastic band. Separate out those 2 sticks and attach another one. Separate those 2 sticks and you'll come right back to the beginning. So you're attaching your last stick to the very first stick with another elastic band. There you have your completed star, and if you felt you needed to, you could put some string just on these binding points here and replace the elastic band with more decorative twine. So here I've gone over the elastic bands with string. You could cut the elastic bands away if you wanted to, but I've managed to hide them here. And then go back, and if you don't like these long tails, go back in and cut away the tails to leave your tying as neat as possible. And there you have the finished star for hanging on your wall, putting on top of your Christmas tree, or make loads of them and cover your Christmas tree in stars.